Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines. Market-based economic dispatch to begin from 1st April 2022. Update on solar related tenders. Coal stock position with respect to the states. Coming to the details. Indian power sector evolved itself into the current state by undergoing lot of transformations. Firstly from power deficit to surplus and many others. One of the most significant being the synchronization of regional grids into one national grid with one frequency, and also to a major extent achieved one price on power exchange for day-ahead markets. An essential next step in reforming electricity market operations and in moving towards one nation, one grid, one frequency, one price framework is to implement market-based economic dispatch in the day-ahead origin initiated by Central Electricity Regulatory Commission. With the success in generation capacity additions over the past few years and a well-integrated national electricity grid, the time is right to move towards optimizing the operation of generating plants in the country to deliver benefits of reducing operating costs to distribution utilities and the end consumers. Market-based economic dispatch will ensure that the cheapest generating resources across the country are dispatched to meet the overall system demand and will thus be a win-win situation for both the distribution companies and the generators and ultimately result in significant annual savings for the electricity consumers. Ministry of Power noticed substantial alignment amongst all key stakeholders on phased approach and the process to be followed for implementing phase 1 of market-based economic dispatch, starting with the mandatory participation of interstate generating stations. Generation plants of others can also participate in phase 1 on voluntary basis. The implementation of phase 1 of market-based economic dispatch is planned to start with effect from 1st April 2022. Before that, CERC will align their regulations and mock drill will be carried out to ensure that the system runs smoothly. Punjab Energy Development Agency has invited bids for 220 megawatt of grid-connected solar power projects of 1 megawatt, 1.5 megawatt or 2 megawatt capacity. The projects will be installed under Component A of PM Kusum program. The ceiling tariff for the tender is 2.748 per unit. The last date to submit the bids is October 25, 2021. Bids will be opened on October 26th. Bidders could participate as an individual or a group of farmers, cooperatives, panchayat, farmer producer organizations or water user organizations setting up the project on their lands. If the bidders fail to arrange the equity needed, they may set up the project through a developer by signing a land lease agreement. PSPCL will provide connectivity to solar power plant at 11 kV with the nearest 66 kV grid substation. The generator will bear the 11 kV transmission line cost and other related works to evacuate power from project to the nearest 66 kV substation. Central Electronics Limited, a public sector enterprise under Ministry of Science and Technology, has invited bids for supply construction, testing and commissioning of 147 megawatt of decentralized solar system of capacity 2 megawatt to 10 megawatt at various substations in Maharashtra. The tender is open for empaneled applicants only. The last date to submit the bids is October 18, 2021. Bids will be opened on the same day. The scope of the work includes site surveys, design, engineering, procurement, supply of equipment, testing and manufacturers works, inspection, packing, civil works, erection, testing and commissioning of solar generating systems at substation. The successful bidder will also have to develop the associated transmission system up to 11 kV or 22 kV at the designated substations. The successful bidder will also have to take care of operation and maintenance activities of the solar systems for 12 years. The chart here shows the number of power plants with sufficient coal stocks and critical coal stocks. As you can see, many of the power plants in all the states are running on critical stocks. All India scenario shows that out of 135 plants considered, 16 plants are left with zero stocks, 67 plants are with stocks for 1 to 3 days, 27 plants with stocks for 4 to 8 days, totaling 110 plants with 136 gigawatt running on critical stocks, creating a surge in power prices in day-ahead market at power exchange. Additional news today. Power Ministry releases guideline for cyber security in power sector. Tata Power signed agreement with Blue Wave AI to operationalize artificial intelligence in day-to-day power distribution in Mumbai. Autumn launches 10 solar-powered EV charging stations across 10 cities. MV signs MOU with Karnataka government to set up 3 gigawatt manufacturing facility in Dobaspet. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 265.41 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 16 rupees 13 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 13 rupees 40 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 19 rupees 25 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 15 rupees 98 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 16 rupees 8 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you.